Hello, we are staying at the Wilderness Lodge at Disney World. This is our first stay at this resort. We briefly visited this resort a couple years ago, but we've never actually stayed here, and we're staying club level. So this is amazing, up on the 7th floor. So you come in the hallway here. We have some closet space, and we have robes. I know that's probably the least exciting part of the room tour, but so nice big closet space. We have this very large, what is this called again? Barn door. Has a nice big mirror, but that opens up into the bathroom. Very nice, big, spacious, double sinks, little vanity mirror, there's a hook. One of Eddie's favoriteest things, right? This cool piece of art that's also a light. We've got tissue and towels and the hair dryer there. We've got a couple of little toiletry items. Then you've got a pocket door that separates the toilet and the shower. Nice big shower head there. And the toiletries on the wall. Cool art. All right. So we're gonna come back out into the hallway. We have a room safe, a steamer. That's to iron your clothes. You have the Keurig, the ice bucket. Ooh, we've got actual coffee mugs, and we've got some glasses with the Joffrey's 50th K-Cups. And you've got your, it's not a refrigerator, but it keeps things nice and cold. All right, into the sleeping area. You've got 2 queen beds in this room. And that cool light that Eddie likes is also, just kind of goes through this wall here. They redid these rooms not that long ago. They've got Chip 'n Dale. See over there on the wall? So nice, cool looking headboards that has, of course, the reading lights, 2 on each side. Then here we've got 6-drawer dresser with nice big TV. It has a nice little message on there. And USB ports and plugs aplenty. And you've got your nice nightstand. Again, more USB cords, plugs, and plugs. I can't talk, you know what I mean? Electrical things, lots of it. Right, cool little lamp in the middle. And I like how the lighting, I like that. That's very pretty, right? Then behind us, we have a couple of really cute chairs and some tables and a beer from the club. So yeah, 2 very nice, comfortable beds over here. I don't know, did they have that on that side too? Probably. It's kind of like just at least a little place where you can put, maybe plug in an electronic because there's plugs underneath there. Yeah, very nice. And then for the, I can't say, I was almost going to say the word, but I can't. It's like French for like the final thing, the topping.
Fromage?
No, the piece, the little ranch. What am I trying to say? Wait.
The piece de la resistance?
Thank you. See there. Thanks for helping me. But I think all the balconies on the club level kind of have this privacy area. They don't have just the railing, which is nice for privacy, but I also kind of like to have, I'm short, so I have to really get on my tiptoes. But, so it's a decent depth, right, Eddie? But the view is pretty dang cool. So I'm happy. Are you happy, Eddie?
Mm-hmm.
It's an amazing room. I'm so excited. And that's all.